This tutorial guides you through displaying real-time weather information on your screen using PowerPoint integrated with SignageTube Live. Before starting, ensure you have PowerPoint installed and access to SignageTube Live features to connect live weather data to your presentation. Open the PowerPoint application and click the SignageTube tab to access SignageTube Live features. Select the Connections menu to manage data connections for your presentation. Choose the weather data provider from the list to set up weather data integration. In the Query area, click the Add button to create a new weather query. Enter the location New York, USA to specify the weather data source for your display. Or use any city worldwide. You can also choose a language from the list to display the weather conditions in your local language. You can choose to display temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius, and you can choose an icon set from the list of available icon sets for the weather icons. Confirm the location by clicking OK to proceed with the weather setup. You can have a look at all the columns that are returned for this location. You will find the current weather information, forecast info for today, and forecast info for the next 15 days. Optionally, you can click the Rename button to give this a better name. Click OK to save and return to the main interface. Click the placeholder text box to show the current temperature. Click to open the SignageTube menu and click the text box button. The default connection here will be fine since we only have one data query set up. Then select the column temperature from the list of available columns. Click to open the Texts tab to customize the appearance of the temperature text. A handy option is that you can optionally set a text before and after the dynamic value. Here you can set current temperature as prefix text. Click OK to apply the text formatting. Select another text box placeholder on your slide. Here you want to show the current weather condition as text. Click OK to confirm and close any open dialog boxes. The columns starting with D01 return information of today plus 1, so tomorrow. Bind this text box to D01 day, which will hold the 3-character code of tomorrow. Repeat the same actions and bind the minimum and maximum temperatures of tomorrow, and repeat the same for the day after tomorrow, D2. Next click Insert, then Pictures, this device, and add any dummy picture to your slide. With the picture selected, click SignageTube and then Picture. Click Yes to make this picture dynamic. From the list of columns, select the weather icon option, and all the rest of the information is OK. Click OK to close. The weather slide is now ready. It contains textual information about the current conditions, the next upcoming days, and a weather icon. Run the slideshow and show real-time weather information on your screen. You have successfully configured real-time weather display on your PowerPoint slide using SignageTube Live. Verify that the weather data, including temperature, forecasts, and icons, updates correctly during the slideshow. For further customization, explore additional data connections or design options within SignageTube Live.